AI is no longer the future, it's the present. And people are already cashing in. If you want to know how to make money with AI in 2025, stick around. I'm sharing 5 beginner-friendly ways you can start today, even if you're not a tech genius. First up, freelancing with AI tools. Upwork, Fiverr, copywriting, image editing, data analysis. AI makes these jobs faster and easier. ChatGPT, Canva AI features, just pick a niche you enjoy and offer your services. Next, chatbots. Businesses are obsessed with saving time, and AI chatbots handle customer support 24/7. Many chat fuel. It's a skill in crazy high demand right now. Number 3, content creation. Blog posts, videos, social media content, artwork. Jasper Midjourney. Start your own channel. Freelance for others. The more you create, the more you can earn. Fourth, automation. Data entry, scheduling, email sorting. Zapier Make People will pay for that kind of help. Last one, tutoring and teaching. AI is hot and everyone wants to learn how to use it. Beginner courses, one-on-one sessions, group classes, teachable Skillshare. So, don't just watch others profit from AI. Pick one of these 5 ways and start. You don't need a perfect plan or a fancy resume. Just take that first step, learn as you go, and keep building. AI is here. The best time to start? Right now.